Hey, thanks for tuning in again to our channel. Thank you very much if you subscribe and follow us on our social media. If you're a regular at the Hobby Center, I've been telling people, or warning them, if you will, that there's been a whole lot of new Book Nooks and other Rule Life product and that due in. Unfortunately, we missed Easter on this. It came in right after, but fortunately, it's here now, and it's in plenty of time for Mother's Day. So I'm giving you an advanced look before everybody else on what's going on here, so you have first crack at it. So let's start, shall we? Book Nook, Fall into Wonder. Kind of an Alice in Wonderland theme, if you will. How about the Holiday Cafe? Cute little bunny in there. Arcade Dating. Elsa's Tailoring. Here's something a little different. A working carousel, but all in color. We've had the plain wooden laser cut one in stock for many years. This one is a beautiful colored one. It's got a DC geared motor. I think it's got lights in it. It's a really attractive, and it plays music. About the Dream Gift Factory. Looks like it's got lots of neat moving bits going on there. It's got music, it's got lights, it's got gears. Hours of fun for the builder. Moving right along. This company is always innovative in what you can do with their product. We've talked about how it started out as rooms or rooms of houses, and then they got into the book nooks that you could put on your shelf amongst your library. Then they came out with little vignettes or dioramas that hang on your wall. Now they've actually gone into book ends. This is a train bookend that you put together. So again, another purpose for this thing. It's not just something you buy, sits around and collects dust. It actually performs a function. Here's something neat. A Sakura treehouse. Builds in a similar fashion to all their other different activities and crafts. Cheers, Bar and Dining, where everybody knows your name. Again, something a little different. If you've got a bunch of book nooks and whatnot going on, how about something you put kind of on the end, a corner, if you will? Fulfills a function of types. It's a neat little vignette. It fits in a corner. Remind me as I go around the corner and grab a few other things here. Sakura Wine Alley. Baking Kitchen. This shipment we got today was so chock full of new pieces that we have not had before. Leisure Time Tea Room. Henry's Chocolate, a chocolatier. Who doesn't like chocolate? Book Nook Street Scene. The Library of Wonders. Book Nook. And a repurposed television set. Sakura Dreamy Tour. All the blossoms and the trees and the tram and whatnot. Interesting little diorama scene. If you're a fan of the marble runs that we've carried, there's a marble run called Marble Travel London. I assume there'll be a bunch of these based on different cities around the world. It has things like the London Tower and London Bridge and the big Ferris wheel and whatnot, things you would see in London. And then the Gear Ball Challenge, another version of the marble runs and that have been so popular through the years. In the flower series, we've got another bouquet that collects a bunch of the wooden pre-colored flowers that have been super popular. And we've got a cuckoo clock. These guys have made other wall hanging clocks and such forth. And now they add a cuckoo clock to it, which actually cuckoos. Automatic hour time, has ambience lighting, chime sound effects. So again, it does something as well as good to look at. I think that's all the new ones here. You'll have to pardon me if I missed one. There's so many. And in a second, I'm going to take you over and show you all the new flower kits we got in. We got restocks and we got a bunch of new ones. So that line is really expanded into all the different types of flowers and stuff one would find in a garden, all pre-colored and made out of wood that you assemble. You can make your own bouquets and whatnot out of them. Now remember, we are the Hobby Center. We're all about hobbies. We like to encourage hobbies and hobbyists. We think hobbies are good for everybody. That's been my message going on since I started doing social media. So just keep in mind, this is a hobby. We support it. We support people to do it. We carry it all year round. It doesn't just come in at Christmas and then disappear after Christmas season over. No, we're in it to win it. We're here long term. We're going to carry this stuff as long as we're in business, and you'll always have a place to come and find it. But I digress. Let me go to the new flowers and show you what's up. Okay, I'm just going to take you around and show you them. Irises, tulips, daisies. These are all hanging up at the front of our store on the racks. Pink tulip, purple tulip, I believe is new. Pink dahlia, purple moth orchid. Now, orchid's kind of a neat thing. I know how to kill them, but these ones I think could even last me. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you got time to stick around, I'm going to preview a bunch of stuff they're taking pre-orders on now. Some of it looks pretty exciting. It's another twist on a Book Nook. It looks like an exciting new series of things. I'm going to preview what I see of them. And if you see stuff you like, please, by all means, put in an advanced order or let me know which ones you like so I can make sure I get more of those ones. Your feedback is essential as to what I bring in and what I stock in the store. So if I give you a preview, I'd love it if you got back to me and let me know which ones you like, which ones you don't like, and help me tailor my store to my customers. Anyways, don't forget, every great hobby starts right here. Hey, before I get to the preview, why don't I show you where to go on our website if you want to see the exciting things we just talked about. When you go to the website, you'll see a bar across the top. Click on New Arrivals. This will take you to everything that's coming new. Then you go over here and sort it how you want. So if you want new to old, pull that up, and this will show the things that most recently came in. So after we got the new wooden kits in, we got a couple cars, of course, but there's the clock, there's the bookends, there's the Book Nooks, and there's most of the things we talked about today on the video. Now, if you don't want to go there and deal with that, just go over to the side bar menu. Take it down where it says Miniatures and Book Nooks, and that'll take you right into it. And again, you can sort by featured, best-selling, new to old. Will bring you up all the stuff we just most recently got in. So don't forget, we're open 24/7 at hobsen.com. That's www.hobsen.com.